Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I have another PR haul for you guys. You have really seemed to like these videos, so I'm going to be trying to do them more often just so you guys can see all of the products that I get sent. So before we get into today's video, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, I will have a link in my description box below, and I'll also have the giveaway video where you can see all of the prizes up here somewhere in a card, so make sure you guys check that out. Today's post notification shout out goes to Nori. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you guys want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on. Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So the first package I have here is actually from Seoul De Janeiro, which is really exciting for me. I was so excited to get this. I did get this sent to me through like the Octoly app. I have talked about that app a few times. Basically, if you are an influencer, it's just an app where you can get free products sent to you. I'll have a link in my description box below if there's anybody out there who wants to check it out. So they sent me the full size of their Coco Cabana cream. I am already obsessed with this brand in general. I have never tried a product from them that I didn't like. I love their Brazilian Crush body spray. They also sent that to me in PR. And then I also am obsessed with the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. If you guys have not ever smelled that before, it's like the most amazing thing you've ever smelled in your life. So yeah, this is an oil and water gel cream that instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into the softest, bounciest, and most luscious version of itself. So this is supposed to hold in moisture in the skin for up to 72 hours. I can totally tell the difference. This is like a PR haul, but I actually have already been using this. This is like the first package that I've gotten out of all of the ones that I'm about to show you. So I have been trying this out for probably like almost, I don't know, maybe it has been 2 weeks. Maybe between like 1 and 2 weeks now I've been using this. I am obsessed. Like I already have an opinion on this, you guys. So the scent of this moisturizer is coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. But yeah, I totally recommend that you guys check out any of these like body creams from Seoul De Janeiro. They are so good. So yeah, even though this is like a PR haul, I already have been using this for a while and I am like in love. I think this might actually be the most exciting PR haul that I've ever done on my channel. I got my first PR package from Drunk Elephant. I was literally like screaming when I got this package. I am so excited to be on their PR list. I am already like obsessed with their products, so now getting them sent to me, I'm just so excited to try out all the ones that I have never tried out before. So whenever you open up the box, it just looks like this. It is super cute. So the first thing in the box is actually from the brand Hum. These are their like gummy vitamins. So these have hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and E. These are supposed to make your skin like just be like super hydrated and glowy. I have only taken these like twice. I did try them out. They do taste pretty good. They have like an orange flavor to them, and orange is not my favorite, but it's not like bad tasting to me. If that tells you anything, I don't really like orange flavored things, but I don't think that these taste bad. I think they taste pretty good. They're like these little heart-shaped gummies. I feel like because they're like gummy vitamins, I'm gonna be more inclined to take them because they taste good. So yeah, I'm super excited to try these out for like a long period of time. I've heard really good things about this brand. And then the other thing in the box is this Drunk Elephant like mini set. This is their The Littles set. I have also been using these products out for like around a week now. So everything just comes in like this little bag. I have been like keeping this in this bag just so I can show you guys it in this PR haul. So the first thing that comes in here is the Drunk Elephant Bestie Jelly Cleanser. I have been using this at nighttime and I have been really liking it. I feel like after I use this, my skin is literally like squeaky clean. It really does get rid of like any excess makeup left over on your face. The next thing in here is the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. I have always wanted to try this moisturizer out, you guys. I have recently run out of my Tatcha the Water Cream Moisturizer, and this is the exact same price in the full size as the Tatcha one, and I couldn't decide between the two, so I am so glad I had this sent to me. So I'm going to be trying out this little mini size before I buy the full size version, but so far I am like obsessed. I'm gonna be telling you guys what I've been using because I feel like my skin looks like the best it's probably looked in years after I started using these the past week. So yeah, I've been using these two so far, and then the next thing, this is the Afirma Day Serum. I have also always wanted to try this. I feel like after I put this on, my skin just looks so like, I feel like it looks so glowy, which I never had skin that looked like glowy. I really like this a lot. This is probably another product that I'm going to end up buying the full size of. The next product I have used in the past. You guys already know I love this product. This is their Marula Oil. I have been using this for like, I want to say probably like 2 years now. Love this. I love mixing this in with the moisturizer at nighttime. And then the other product that I have tried from this set that comes in here is the Tango Vitamin eye cream. I had to double check that's what that said. This feels super hydrating underneath the eyes. So far I have been really liking it. And then there are 3 other things in here that I have not tried out yet. This is the Umbra Tint, I think is what it is. Physical Daily Defense. This is a like daily sunscreen. I know you're supposed to wear sunscreen every day. I'm really bad about that. I never do that. I don't know, I just don't know really where to fit this in. The next thing that comes in this little set is the Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I'm assuming this is similar kind of like to the facial oil that comes in here. It's probably just like an extra moisturizing step that you can add in. I am going to try this out. I don't want to try out too many new things at once, so I'm probably going to hold off for a little bit on this one. And then I'm also probably going to hold off a little bit on the next one, which is the TLC Framboos, I think is how you say it, Glycolic Night Serum. This is an AHA and BHA blend. I have had some trouble in the past with AHAs and BHAs like breaking me out or making my skin sensitive. So that is everything that I got sent from Drunk Elephant. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant, for sending me all of these products. I am so excited to continue using them and to try out the new products. All right, you guys, I only have one more PR package to show you guys, and I know this is like only 3 packages, but the next one is like probably the biggest PR package I've ever gotten. So it's probably gonna take me a long time to show you guys everything, but I'm super excited. So here we have it, you guys. This is a package from Covergirl. This is an entire collection in this box. It is so freaking heavy. I wish you guys could feel this. I'm pretty sure the weight of this package is like 16 pounds, so I'm gonna put this down. Just kidding, I have to show you the inside. Okay, here is what the package looks like, you guys. We have eyes, lips, and face. Literally, my shoulder's about to break. Hold on. Literally just got some battle wounds from that box. That's how heavy it was. So yeah, this is their brand new collection. This collection is geared towards multicultural women, which I think is absolutely amazing. I am so excited to show you guys everything in this collection. Also, I'm probably gonna be doing like an entire review video on this collection, which will probably be up sometime next week, so stay tuned for that. So first, we're gonna go through the eyes box. So there are 4 eyeshadow palettes in this collection, so I'm just gonna show you guys all of them. So the first one is the Gravity palette, which has like really pretty shades in it. It has like greens, blues, purples. There are both mattes and shimmers in all of these palettes. The next one they sent over is their Posh palette, which I think is beautiful. Of course, I'm drawn to this one because of like the pinks in this palette, like the pinky purpley shades. This one looks so pretty. I cannot wait to try that out. And then the next one we have is their Reverence Palette, I think is how you say it. And this is more of like your golden brown palette. This one also looks stunning. And then we also have like a colorful palette, which I'm so excited about. This is the Zodiac Palette, and it has a bunch of really pretty shimmery shades in it. I just said that all of these palettes have mattes and shimmers, but actually this one is an all shimmer palette. It has so many pretty shades. This gold right here looks beautiful. Next up, we have the eyeliners that are in this collection. There are 6 eyeliners in this collection that they sent over. Of course, we have a black eyeliner. Then we have this really pretty green, which I don't believe that I own a green eyeliner, so I'm really excited about that one. And then we have this one right here, which is a deep blue. And then of course, a really pretty purple shade. And then we also have a silver and a gold. All right, now we're gonna move into the lips box. So first up in here, we have 3 of their full spectrum lip glosses. The first one is this really pretty like red, and it has like little flecks of pink glitter in it. This looks so so pretty, and I really like the packaging. Like, the lid is so cute. And then the next shade is like a more of a berry shade, and there are also little pink flecks of glitter in here. This one looks so pretty. I cannot wait to try these out. And then the last one, this one looks more of like a matte gloss. It's just like a really pretty pink shade. Next up, we have 4 lipsticks. These are the full spectrum lipsticks. The first one is in the shade Prodigy, which looks like a really pretty like brownish nude with little gold flecks in it. And then the next shade I'm so excited about, even though it's like kind of like a weird shade. This is the shade Mad Money, and it's like a deep green. I do not own a lipstick in this shade, so I'm really excited about it. And then the next one is in the shade Charms, which is a super pretty like deep purpley berry shade. And then the last one is in the shade Marooned, which obviously by the name is like a maroon, like a deep red. And then we also have 3 of their matte Idol liquid lipsticks in here. I'm really excited about these as well. This one is like a super pretty like deep vampy red. And then we also have this really fun purple shade. And then the last one is like a super bright red. All right, you guys, now we're moving into the face box, which is what made this package so heavy. Look at all of this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So they sent over like all of the shades of their new Matte Ambition foundation. I cannot wait to try this out, you guys. So since I have all of the shades, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with them yet. I might be giving some to like my family and friends, since I obviously don't need like 20 shades of foundation. I might do like little mini giveaways, and I don't know, leave me a comment down below if you know what shade you would wear in this foundation, and maybe I can do like little mini giveaways. Just like leave like your Instagram or Twitter username or something so it's easy to contact you, and then of course what shade you need. So yeah, this is their new matte foundation. I'm so excited to try this. As I said, this is an all day shine free foundation, which is good for me because I do like sweat at my job. My skin will get kind of like dewy, so I'm really excited to see how this holds up. I'm gonna be testing this out like next weekend, probably when I do my whole video where I'm testing all these products out. Oh, I forgot to mention that they also sent over their Matte Ambition primer. This is a mattifying skin primer. It also has SPF in it. It says that it extends makeup wear all day. It's oil free, shine free, suitable for all skin types. And then they also sent me over all of the concealers in this collection. So this is their All Day Idol Brightening Concealer. I'm really interested in trying this one out as well. I'm always like up for trying out new concealers. I might give away some of these as well, so if you know what shade, just leave me down below if you see anything, like, because I have a bunch of like powders as well that I'm about to show you guys. If you know what shade you need, just comment it down below. The next thing obviously is their Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation. I have a ton of shades in here, you guys. So this is really interesting to me. I can't think of a single powder foundation that I own besides like a Bare Minerals loose powder, so I'm so curious about this. It says it's buildable medium to full coverage foundation. It's a natural matte finish. You know, I'm so excited to try this out, like, because when I go to work, I don't like to wear like a full face of foundation sometimes, so maybe I can get away with just wearing this, or this is probably a really good powder if you want to look like super beat and full coverage just to put on top of your regular foundation. All right, moving on to face palettes. They sent me a bunch of face palettes. There are 4 different palettes. These look so pretty, you guys. So the first one is the Sculpt Expert. This is their cheek palette. So this one is in the shade Bronze Flame. So it just has like some highlighters in here. And then I think the last one's supposed to be a blush. These look so pretty. And then we also have the shade Blush Touch. This one's a little bit lighter. The highlights in this one look so pretty. Also, this like blush shade over here would be really nice as like a blush topper since it is shimmery. And then the last one is their Rose Rush palette, which is also just as pretty as the other 3. And then the last face palette we have is the Contour and Correct Expert Versatile Cream Palette. So this has a bunch of really good shades for like cream contouring. I don't own that many cream contour products, so I'm really excited about this one. So that is everything that came into this full spectrum collection from Covergirl. I am so excited about this PR package, you guys. I was so excited when they reached out to me, and I had no idea that they were going to send me this entire collection, which is like amazing. It's definitely like the biggest PR package I've ever gotten. So thank you so much to Covergirl for sending me all of these products. I cannot wait to test them all out for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing like a full review on all these products probably next week. All right, you guys, those are all of the PR packages that I've gotten in the last week or so. So that's all I really have to show you guys in today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. So if you guys want to enter that, I'll have a link in my description box below. I'm also going to have all of these products that I mentioned in today's video linked there as well if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.